In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Content Agent Studio. Content Agent Studio gives you the ability to essentially build your own internal agency with a team of AI ghostwriters or AI agents that recreate assets that you need in the style that your team sees as high quality. So I'll show you what I mean by that. From the dashboard, you can click Content Agent Studio, and here you'll see a list of the agents that you've built in the past. To make a new one, all you need to do is click this plus icon, give your agent a name, give it a description, and click Create Content Agent. From there, it doesn't matter what type of agent you're making. All you need are 3 examples of what a high quality asset would look like. So for example, if I were creating a LinkedIn post agent, I would give it 3 examples of LinkedIn posts that I've written in the past. Now, one small tip is to make sure that your examples have been human written and are deemed as high quality, that don't come with an asterisk. And by that I mean, I've worked with a lot of clients who've handed me copy and said, this is pretty good, but I might make some changes in the future to this part or that part. When you are loading an example and trying to replicate that example with AI, it needs to be high quality and without any asterisk. It needs to be exactly what you see as a very high quality asset. When you're done, you can click Publish, and it will create that agent for you. Now, when we go back to Agent Studio, we will see the agents there. So for example, this is the one that we've already built for a YouTube description writer. It's been run several times, and to use this agent, all I would have to do is click Create New and add a campaign brief. This can be either a transcript or a detailed campaign brief. Let's say that this was to write about a webinar. You might have some details about that webinar and who the speakers are in that campaign brief, which you can copy and paste here. Or you could add the transcript as long as it has the details needed to write that high quality whatever it is you're making, in this case, YouTube description. You can also go up to settings if you want to change anything. To update the agent, you can add instructions here in the advanced settings, or you can connect it to an existing workflow. However, this is more of an advanced option that you should check out after you've seen the videos on how to build workflows. In fact, there are easier ways to build workflows that allow you to connect the agent directly into the existing workflow, so you might not even need this at all. What you can do, though, is add more context examples by clicking Add Content Examples, and the more examples that we have, the better the outputs will be. Again, once you're happy, you can click Update Agent. And just like that, in your Content Agent Studio, your team has a whole litany of no-code built agents who are trained with a workflow happening under the hood to reverse engineer what good looks like for your team based on a simple campaign brief. Now, making those high quality outputs couldn't be easier. You can build agents for your entire team, for your marketing assets, your sales assets, like an outbound sequence, an email, LinkedIn connection requests. You could also build ABM landing pages and structure it the way that you need and have those created in here with an agent. Anything that your go-to-market team needs to make on a consistent basis can be codified with a content agent and then run without knowing any code or having anything technical under the hood.